So to make sure I cut this the right width to match this clapper thing, and so set my fence like so. Yeah, that's working pretty good. I like that. That cuts better on this blade than I thought it would. Alright. Yeah, it's a little rough around the edges. I'll get that. Yeah, that's much better. I like that. Kind of looks like glass. Okay, now I got to get this flushed at the top of the plastic here on the back, because otherwise it just won't clap right, or it might hit twice and make two noises, which would be okay, but I want to get it flush. So I'll use these clamps here, get it. Yeah, using these is more difficult than I thought it would be. I think I'll get it here. That's okay. Yep. Just align that with the top. That feels pretty good. A little more there. All right. Now this bit is the same size as the little hole down in the bottom, and I'm just using it as a center drill so that I can locate the proper tap size here in a second. I didn't want my bit to wander though. And now this is a number 29, I think, 28 or 29, size for the 832 socket head cap screws I'm going to stick in here. I love drilling plastic. And one thing I love even more is tapping plastic, because it's so fast. It's either smooth like butter or dynamite. Yep, and back. And once more. In. And out. Cool. Now my old clapboard didn't have a marker holder, and so I added this little flourish. You can see the shape here. It's just this kind of little hook shape that sits in this recess in the clapper base. It's going to go on there just like that and be held in with 3 of these 832 socket head cap screws that are a 1/2 inch long. So get those in my holes here. And we'll stick them in. Start with the middle, just because I like doing that. Oh, that goes in so easily. I love it. And get this guy over here. Perfect. Oh, this is being harder than I thought it would be to get this last little bit cut off. I guess because the cross section of this is so small compared to the tooth pitch. All right. Now, anytime I'm cutting a threaded fastener, I always put a nut on first so that I can then back the screw out and the nut will fix the threads that I just cut, like so. And a little bit of white paint here will make sure that I can actually see the black writing that I'm going to write on this thing. That's pretty good. Yep, right there. But now I've got a functional clapboard that I can use to sync up my audio and my video. I'm going to go use it now to shoot some grounds instruction videos. But go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.